through. Hi, Eli. We're going to do the ABCs together. This is something that Abrielle learns in school. And we thought we would share it today, huh, Abrielle? Yeah, you ready? Okay,
Yeah.
Let's get started.
I'm really excited.
Okay, so first letter is A. Oh, that's upside down. A. A makes the A sound. Do you see the plane?
Plane.
That's right. What's the next one? B makes the B
Bear.
sound. B. C makes the
Cake.
K sound.
Rainbow cake.
That's right. D makes the D sound. D. Do you see the dolphin? I see the dolphin. Look at the dolphin. E makes the sound. Ready? F makes the f sound. G makes the g sound. Do you see the heart? H makes the sound. I makes the sound. There's a lot of sugar. J makes the j sound. We're almost done. I know it's a lot of letters. It's a lot to learn. K makes the k sound. L makes the o sound. M makes the sound. N makes the sound. O makes the sound. Owl. Here we go. It's right here. P makes the p sound. Q makes the qu sound. R makes the sound. S makes the s sound. T makes the t sound. U makes the sound. V makes the v sound. W, you see the wagon? Makes the w sound. We're almost done. I know it's a lot. X makes the x sound. Y makes the y sound. And Z makes the, what's the last sound, Abrielle? Help me out. Z. That's right. And that's all the letters of the alphabet. Yay! Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.